In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download a presentation in Canva in PPTX format so you can open and edit it in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is perfect if you've designed slides in Canva but need to submit them as a PowerPoint file, share them with colleagues, or make final edits in PowerPoint. The process is simple, works for free Canva accounts, and only takes a few minutes. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into the Canva account where your presentation is saved. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll see different options like designs, templates, and recent projects. From here, look for the More option on the homepage. Clicking on More will show you additional design categories available in Canva. Next, click on Presentations. This will take you to all the presentation templates and designs Canva offers. Here, you can either create a new presentation or work with an existing one. Go ahead and click on any presentation option of your choice to continue. Now, select the specific presentation you want to download. This will open the presentation editor where you can see all your slides. If you're using a template, you may see an option to apply the design to multiple pages. If prompted, click on Apply All Pages so the design is consistent across your entire presentation. Once your presentation is ready, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This is where Canva gives you different options for sharing, exporting, and downloading your design. In the Share menu, click on Download. After clicking Download, you'll see a panel with several download settings. Look for the File Type option. By default, Canva may select PDF or another format, so this step is very important. Click on the File Type drop-down menu, and from the list of available formats, select PPTX, which stands for Microsoft PowerPoint. After choosing PPTX, double-check that all pages are selected so your entire presentation is included. Once everything looks good, click on the Download button. Canva will now start converting your presentation into a PowerPoint file. In just a few moments, you'll see a pop-up notification in the bottom right corner of your screen confirming that the download is complete. You can now open the downloaded PPTX file on your computer using Microsoft PowerPoint, and your slides will be ready to edit or present. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a Canva presentation in PPTX format. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.